Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. Good. Welcome to CM Cool Guy 15. Hey everybody, today we are going to be playing Subway Surfer, and basically I haven't beat my high score yet. Oh wait, I was gonna get those, but I guess not. I only have 5 times a star. Jump. I should always go in the one where there's coins. Thank God a train was not moving there. Just jump to get that one. Okay, gotta see, the word is coffee. Oh, wow. Jumpy shoes. I call these jumpy shoes because you can jump high. Oh wait, I can save myself by using their key. Just don't mess up again. I got, there's a star. Okay, I got a skateboard. Wow, cool. I should get a skateboard just in case I die. Just in case I mess up in the game. Oh, there's an O. Okay, I'm not even close spelling the word. I'm not even almost there. Okay, get those coins. If you get a magnet, you get unlimited coins. I got an F. Okay, we're halfway there. Okay, we got the star. We got 10 times star, so I can get a better score then. Okay, it's gone now. Ooh, I almost messed up. Okay, well, I only need the 2 E's left. I can get unlimited coins because I have a magnet, but it's gonna go away soon. Ugh, my jumpy shoes are going away. Wow. Oh, there's an E. Oh my God, we're so close. One more E, then we complete the mission. Okay. I got more than 400 coins. Are these pennies? Okay, 500 pennies is $5, basically. Oh my god, I almost messed up. Yay, I complete the mission! Let's go. Yay, I got more coins now. Well, is it basically in a gift, then? Oh, nice. I get so much coins. Wait, does Jumpy Shoes look like they have a magnet? I know they do. Kind of looks like they do have a magnet. I can basically just jump on the train with these shoes because they're cool. Oh, just don't mess up from those trains, bro. Don't mess up. Oh my, I missed it. I can get ×3 coins right there. Wow. Okay, just keep jumping, Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Okay, I got that, jetpack. That is a jetpack. Oh, wow. Don't mess me up, please. I beg you to not mess me up, okay? I got the jumpy shoes, and now I gotta just, roll over. I just gotta roll just to not... Ooh, oh my god. It looks like I didn't even have them at first, but then I did. Ooh, careful. Oh my god, I got, more than... I got 1,049 coins. 1,052 now. Wait, why do I jump so high? Looks like I do. It looks like I'm gonna hit my... Oh! Okay, maybe I should, like, get this to fly, Yes! Oh no, I don't have enough. Oh no, I only have 1 key left. I have 59 coins left. Oh my god. Oh wow. Nice. Okay, get a star. Okay, got times 10 coins. Okay, keep jumping. Let's go. Okay, so finally I don't have to like... Oh wait, I missed them. I missed some coins. I think I missed a couple coins over there. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Keep going. Don't mess up. I can't mess up because... Oh my god! I almost messed up when I almost hit that. I almost hit that thing. That thing is just not even good. Oh wait, does your score go up faster sometimes? Oh wait, I can't go anymore. Okay, let's see what the gift I got. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video, and I completed that! Let's go! That's gonna be the end of the video, and let's see the missions I got. Oh, let's claim that one! Oh yay, I get this for free. Alright guys, well I'll see you next time. Goodbye!